Are you heading to the Club Wyndham in Clearwater Beach, Florida? And you want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like at this resort? Well, you're going to want to stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're going to take you on a tour today of this 2-bedroom deluxe villa at Club Wyndham in Clearwater Beach, Florida. And as we head in here, the first thing we're going to come to is the kitchen. Pretty good sized kitchen here. You do have your full set of appliances, full size refrigerator, oven, stove, microwave, and dishwasher, as well as a number of small appliances out here on the countertops. You are going to find in the cabinets here, cabinets that for the most part actually are open to the kitchen. So only some of these cabinets have cabinet doors on them, but in them you're going to find glassware and dinnerware for 8 people. Inside the kitchen drawers, you're also going to find a full set of silverware, and in the cabinets below that, some pots and pans for cooking. Now, one thing you're going to notice here we weren't really too keen on with this kitchen is how the dining room is set up. You essentially kind of just have a bar area that is attached to the kitchen that essentially makes up the dining room table. It does have chairs for 8 people, but 2 of those people actually have to sit in the kitchen and the other 6 are on the other side. Not really an ideal setup. The chairs are extremely uncomfortable, almost kind of like a stool situation. Just not all that ideal, and definitely one drawback that we had here in this villa. Another thing we noticed, the trash can here just kind of seemed a little bit on the cheap side, a little bit tacky. Just a plastic trash can here, kind of out at the end of the dining room table. Now we're going to head in a little further. We're going to take a look at the living room. A good sized living room here. You do have a really nice large sofa there, chair, coffee table, side tables, and a large flat screen television up on the wall. Now making our way towards the guest bedroom and guest bathroom area, we are going to find here a pretty large closet that's just kind of off the entryway. Do have in here your iron and ironing board, as well as a broom and dustpan. Making our way into the guest bedroom, you're going to find in here 2 full-size beds, nightstand in the middle there with an alarm clock. And you do have a flat screen television there, a top, a dresser. I do have to say though, the televisions in the bedrooms here at most Wyndham timeshare villas that we've stayed in, they're actually incredibly small for the space. In the bedroom here, you also have a small closet with some additional bedding. Now let's make our way back out towards the living area. We're going to head towards the master bedroom, but first let's take a look at the guest bathroom. Do have a pretty good sized guest bathroom here. Single vanity, large mirror, lots of light in here. Do have a toilet and a bathtub with a shower. Now, we were kind of worried here when we first checked in that there weren't any towels in our unit at all. We couldn't find any, but we did look here under the sink, and that's where they had them all stashed away. Now that we've finished up in the guest bathroom there, let's make our way over to the master bedroom. You do have a king-size bed here, nice bright orange wall, fairly good sized television here actually, at least compared to the one in the guest bedroom. A dresser, plenty of pillows, couple of nightstands there as well, some lamps, really nice, comfortable master bedroom. Beside the bed here, in one of the nightstand drawers, is where you'll find an emergency flashlight. And over in the corner of the bedroom is a closet where you'll find the in-room safe. Now let's make our way into the master bathroom. Located pretty much just adjacent to the master bedroom is this nice large bathroom. You do have a double vanity, large bright lighted mirrors here as well. Located off in a separate water closet behind a door here, you do have the toilet, and in this bathroom is also where you're going to find the in-room laundry. A little bit disappointed with this because not only was this laundry extremely noisy, but it's located in the bathroom, which is right beside the master bedroom. So if you're trying to do any laundry at night, maybe when you're getting ready to go to bed or letting it run while you're trying to get to sleep, it is a little bit distracting, might keep you up. We're not too big on the laundry in the bathroom. And of course, in the master bathroom here, you do also have a large walk-in shower. Now that we've seen the interior of this 2-bedroom deluxe villa at Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach, let's head outside. We're going to take a look at the balcony. Out here you do have 4 patio chairs and just a small table. Not a really big balcony, but actually not too bad. Our balcony, our villa, actually did overlook the pool area, and we had some nice views out to the Gulf of Mexico and a view up the beach. Also out here, something I like to point out is an electrical outlet for those of you that might want to come out here and maybe do some work. So there you have it, the 2-bedroom deluxe villa here at Club Wyndham in Clearwater Beach. So what do you think of this? Are you headed here for your next trip to Florida's West Coast? I'd love to hear all about it down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with these videos, helps out the channel, and also helps to tell YouTube that you like them too, and for them to push you more just like it. And if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And if you want to actually see a resort tour here of Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach, check out the video up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.